Tired of your phone dying when you need it most? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate portable power solution. This beast packs a massive 20,000 milliamp-hours, meaning you can charge an iPhone over 6 times or a Samsung Galaxy multiple times, keeping all your devices powered for days. Imagine weekend trips, long flights, or busy workdays without ever searching for an outlet. That's the freedom this portable charger offers. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge speed. This means no more slow charging, just optimized power delivery, ensuring your gadgets are ready to go in record time, safely. Plus, with dual USB output ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing power or juicing up your phone and tablet at once. What sets the Anker PowerCore apart is Anker's renowned reliability and premium build quality, making it a purchase you can truly trust. If you're ready to upgrade your portable charging experience, find the best price for the Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone needing a robust, fast, and highly reliable power bank for daily use or travel, this is absolutely a top contender for best electronics in 2025. Don't get caught with a dead battery again. Click that link and power up your life.